Okay, hello guys. For this tutorial, I will teach you the basic of PHP. For this basic, I'm gonna teach you guys how to pick the right background for your PFP. So, to pick the good background for your PFP, it's simple. Listen carefully because this tutorial will be quick because this is the part 1 of the tutorial. So, to pick the good background for your PFP, you want to proceed have a theme. You need a theme for your PFP. What I mean by a theme, the theme is a theme. Like my theme for my current PFP are summer because summer is coming. I wanna make some summer PFP, so I do summer PFP. But like if your theme is like a river or an angelic theme, you can try to find an angelic background. Pick a background that fits your theme. Do not say I wanna make a summer PFP, but you pick a river. Like you can, but when people think of summer, what do they think about? They think about the beach, right? So they think about the beach. So use a beach wallpaper. You can use a beach wallpaper. You can need a beach icon, a beach background. You don't need to join the fancy Discord server to get a background. Guys, just go on Pinterest, create an account, type beach background or type river background, type beach 4K background, type river 4K, I don't know, anything you want. If you don't know what theme you wanna make, you can take some example by typing PFP example. You can look at that. So people post some icons, so you can look at some cutouts. Like if you know how to remove your own background, you can pick this, you can pick that. But if you really need some example, like you need to type custom PFP, I think. Yeah, so that's one of my work. So like you can see, here you go. You can see that here people are posting their work, and you can take example from it. You can also get overlay if you want. If you want PFP overlay, you can type PFP overlay. You can tap Discord logo. You can tap any kind of overlay that you need and that you wanna use. So pick anything you want, and when you pick your background, so you got your background ready. So you have to go to software, this one. So I will put the link in the description if you wanna use it. If you don't wanna use it, then find any kind of software that allow you to upscale your background. And basically, what you wanna do, you just wanna pick the background you downloaded. Like you open your file folder, you get your background installed, and you put it and you slide it in the or you just press choose the image, and you can see that every thing that every picture that you downloaded will be. But like personally, I got my background, so you put it in that and you press 400% and you upscale it. There's something to know about this kind of website. It is that those kind of websites are annoying because sometimes it's messed up the background. So you wanna first upscale it one time. If you are a beginner, just upscale it one time and you're done. But if you are a pro maker or an advanced one, you wanna make sure that when you export that background, so I upscaled it one time, make sure that the other time you upscale it, upscale the upscaled one, and you will try to upscale it 2 times or 3 times, the maximum possible to have the maximum quality. But that is for only advanced maker. If you are a beginner, you really don't need to upscale it that much. Keep in your mind that if you wanna make a big PFP, what you need to know from this tutorial, it's just that you need to go to Pinterest. You go to Pinterest, you type, like I said, river background. Il m'a pick a river background. Yeah, look. You can pick any kind of background that you want. You pick that background. You go to the website image upscaler. You put your background in it. You download it once it's finished, and you got your background. That's it. That's it. Okay. And that's it for this tutorial. So I see you guys in the next tutorial where I will teach you how to pick your cutout. And in the next tutorial I also teach you guys on how to make a basic PFP, a simple beginner PFP. So yeah, I hope you have a great time and see you later.